So we're here at Sprouts. We're gonna get Kai some milk and a couple other things since Kai cannot eat out. She's been craving McDonald's French fries.
Okay. Why are you exposing me like that? That's crazy. I wish that was more.
Only here at Sprouts. With the 3.
You betcha.
We're out here trying to get some milk for Kai, some oat milk.
And we've been everywhere but the milk aisle.
Yeah.
Can't wait for you to say
That's
that.
what you want for our Valentine's Day?
Yes. Valentine's Day is my favorite holiday. So, wink wink to Skylar to get prepped. It's a ring.
Wow.
Custom.
Big milk pan, eh?
Yeah, these are super good. We used to get these ones from Costco. And they're so delicious, Kai put me on. Alright, baby.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, after my fast, definitely getting one of these. We'll be back on the... When is the fast over? The 21st?
We're gonna be trying the new Olipop in the flavor Shirley Temple. And by we, I just mean us, because Skylar cannot have it because he's fasting like sweet drinks.
And candy.
And candy.
C-A-N-D-Y.
Candy. Oh wow.
What flavor is that?
Shirley Temple. Oh, Yumtown. 10 out of 10. Skylar would love this. And he'll be able to try it in 14 days. Just listen.
Do I like the brown one more? I really do like this one. This guy's... I don't know, I feel like this one's like more solid. I don't feel like the other one's gonna be as solid as the other one. Or, like, I don't know if Kai's already mentioned that. We're just looking for espresso top for her. What is it called? Cut. Like, do you like this finish or do you like the wooden finish?
I don't know. This one is
I
really
feel like
nice.
This is just like super clean. Like, show them this one. Like, that's
This with the lights.
even though this wouldn't be for the espresso bar, but like, I feel like this is actually really nice. So if you come to IKEA, only $499. Guys, I'm at Hall's Pizza Kitchen to celebrate one of my good friend's birthday, and I feel like as we get older, we don't really throw as much, we don't throw parties for people. I feel like we go out to eat to show like appreciation and how much we care for them. But I think it's really cool because I feel like as we get older, quality time is important, especially how busy we get with work or with church or just with our wives or kids. But I think it's really cool. But yeah, let's go.